If you're watching this video, you were probably caught off guard when you tried to reset your computer and suddenly see a message asking for a BitLocker recovery key. Many people don't even realize BitLocker was turned on in the first place, and when the message appears, it can feel like you're locked out of your own computer. But in most cases, the key does exist, and it's usually easier to find than you'd expect. In this video, I'm going to show you what BitLocker is, why this happens, and the safest way to reset your laptop when you don't have the recovery key in front of you. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Let's get your computer reset so you can get back to work. BitLocker is a security feature built into many Windows computers. Its job is to protect your data. If someone steals your laptop or removes the hard drive, BitLocker prevents them from accessing your files. That's a good thing, but sometimes BitLocker activates automatically, especially when a new computer is set up using a Microsoft account. And that's where the confusion starts. Many people never turn it on themselves. It happens automatically during setup. This message usually appears when the computer detects a change, like a reset, a hardware change, a system update, or even a security event. When that happens, BitLocker wants to confirm that the person using the computer is the rightful owner, so it asks for the recovery key. Here's the part many people don't realize. The recovery key is often stored automatically in your Microsoft account. If you signed into your computer using an email address, there's a very good chance the key is already saved there. That means you're not locked out. You just need to retrieve it. This is the first place you should look. To retrieve your key, open an Edge browser on another device, then go to account.microsoft.com and sign in using the email and password you originally used to set up your computer. Make sure you use the password and not the PIN number. The PIN only applies to the specific device it was set up on. Once you're in your account, go to Devices and click on View Details. Then select Manage Recovery Keys. You may have to put in your password again and possibly get emailed a one-time passcode. Once you access this screen, you just need to copy the key here to the device you're trying to reset. If the key isn't in the Microsoft account you thought it should be in, you can check other places like a school or work account. Also, when you first set up your computer, Microsoft probably walked you through saving the key. You may have saved it in a document or on a USB drive. Don't forget to check those places as well. But if the key is truly not available, then the only remaining option is to completely wipe everything off the hard drive with other advanced tools and reinstall Windows from a USB drive. This is why backing up your data is so important. This situation is frustrating, but it's not a complete loss. It's just a security feature doing what it was designed to do. And it's becoming more common since newer computers automatically enable encryption. For people running a small business, understanding this system helps prevent surprises and protects your data. If you're trying to reset your computer and you're stuck on a BitLocker screen, you're not completely locked out of your computer. Start by checking your Microsoft account. That's where the recovery key is stored most of the time. Let me know in the comments if you were able to recover your BitLocker key. And if you need help setting up Windows properly or wiping the drive for a situation like this, check out my other videos. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.